Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Orion protocol. Orion has completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup. By the way, previously when we had the previous drop after the month of April, Orion completed this harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move, and this was, by the way, on the daily time frame that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and it was completed on 22nd of August. And you can see after playing the chart, the price line rallied very well, and you can see that from this buying zone it moved up, moved down again, and moved up again. But this time Orion has completed a very big harmonic reversal setup. This was on the daily time frame. By the way, I shared this on the 12-hourly time frame chart, and this is on the weekly time frame. And let me just show you how the price line has completed another guardrail move, and we also had a very strong support at $4.25. And you can see I shared this pattern on 25th of August when this pattern was completed, and our sell targets are from $8.53 and goes to $11.57. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved down, and now after completing this leg, even the price line touched at the very end of this buying zone, and now it is above this support once again that we have at $4.25. Now if we take a look at the live chart, then here on the daily time frame we are moving in a falling wedge pattern, and you can see that it is moving between the resistance and support of this falling wedge since after 16th of August, and so far it is not able to break it out. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we can see that it is showing us a slight bearish divergence. As we are at the very end of this falling wedge, it is getting more squeezed, so the time is very soon to break down or break out. And as you know, it is considered to be a bullish reversal pattern, therefore there are more chances that it will break out. However, this bearish divergence is showing that we can have a pullback, or we may test this support of $4.25 once again, and then we will make another attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Now for the safer side, you can also wait for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, then place your buying orders. However, we are still moving in a very big potential reversal zone of a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move. So there are chances, a very high probability, that we will hit these sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guardrail move. But again, to safe play, you can wait for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and if there will be no bearish divergence on the chart, and it will be better if you will have a bullish divergence. However, at least without any bearish divergence after breaking out, we can place our buying orders and we can set our sell targets according to this guardrail move that is from $8.53 and goes to $11.57. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.